Well, let's now cut across to the live visuals coming in from Hyderabad, where Allu Arjun was being taken out of the court. I believe these visuals are from the court, the Nemappalli court, where Allu Arjun was asked to appear before. And these are the visuals coming in from Hyderabad. Just a few moments back, we had shown you visuals from the other side of the car. Now these are the visuals from inside the court, where Allu Arjun was whisked away again by the police. First he was arrested from his Banjara Hills residence, and after that he was taken for a medical checkup. And after the medical checkup, Allu Arjun was presented before the court. Further details are awaited, but these are the pictures that we are staying with at the moment. The curtains are up inside the police convoy, and Allu Arjun there, you can see him being guided to the police vehicle amid tight security. You can see a sea of fans also outside this particular facility where Allu Arjun was taken to. Well, this is the visuals from the Gandhi Hospital, where Allu Arjun was taken for his medical examination as per the protocol. After the arrest, the police took Allu Arjun for a medical checkup, after which he was taken to the Nemappalli court post his arrest. And these are the first visuals of Pushpa actor Allu Arjun. And the Hyderabad police had arrested Allu Arjun earlier today from his residence over the stampede that claimed the life of one woman and also left a child injured on December 4th. During the premiere of his much-awaited movie release Pushpa 2. In fact, I'm being joined in by Avantika Shetty, another Sandalwood actor who has worked closely with Allu Arjun. A very good afternoon to you, Avantika Shetty. Firstly,
Hi,
how do you
afternoon.
react to this arrest being made by Hyderabad police?
I was actually shocked to know this. When you told me about it, I had no words, because stampedes happening like this is nothing new in the South industry, because down there the fans are so loyal and they worship the actors like God. So, and it's very unfortunate that such a thing happened and somebody lost their life. But I don't see how the actor, he knows he's a big star, but he wouldn't imagine that something like this could have happened. And I don't think it's right to hold a superstar responsible for something like this, because I'm sure he was not the one who organized this event. The people who organize such things, they should make sure that there's enough safety, there's enough police control to handle the crowd, because it is obvious, such a big star, if he steps out and comes in public, such a thing is going to happen. This is not new. I mean, even if a Rajinikanth or a Vijay, people go crazy. Even if when they come to places like Mumbai, here also they are like mobbed. So in their own cities, it is impossible that something like this wouldn't have happened. So, but I don't see why is he arrested for something like this? This is shocking.
Right, Avantika, stay on with me, because we have more breaking news updates coming in. Telugu film actor Allu Arjun has been arrested by the police in connection with the stampede at the premiere of his film Pushpa 2. And meanwhile, Telangana High Court has granted him time to hear his plea, seeking to quash the petition at 4 p.m. today. So in exactly about 45 minutes from now, the Telangana High Court is all set to hear Allu Arjun's petition seeking to quash the FIR against him. This is the big breaking news that we are currently tracking. Now, coming back to you, Avantika Shetty, who is really to be blamed here? Because the police claim that the actor hadn't informed the theatre management, and neither did the theatre know about Allu Arjun's sudden appearance. So who is to be blamed here?
An investigation should be there if they weren't informed. But since I'm an actor and I've done films, and we also have gone to theaters during premieres, it is impossible that the actor hasn't informed the theater or officials there. I really doubt this possibility, because at least the theater owners would know that, and just imagine, he's Allu Arjun, yeah. He's not just any, normal actor. He's a superstar. When he moves from his house to any place, everybody gets to know. It's impossible that, the officials were not informed. I doubt about this.
Well, Avantika, stay on with me because, now there are various sections that have been pressed against him. One is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, and also joint criminal liability. So these are some serious charges that Allu Arjun is facing in the FIR that has been registered against him by the Hyderabad Central DCP. So tell me, help me understand how the actor will, be coping with such a situation, because he is nowhere to be blamed according to the fans, and as you also stated that the actor shouldn't be held responsible. So during these times, what exactly goes through his mind?
See, I mean, I'm sure it must be, he must still be in a process of processing something like this. Getting arrested for something like this. Poor guy must have not even got enough time to celebrate the success of his film, and such a thing has happened. I can't even imagine putting myself in his place, because it's crazy.
And
I don't know what
Avantika,
he
like
was
you said, you've worked with Allu Arjun in the past. Tell us about Allu Arjun, how his personality is, and about him as a person.
See, I worked with him like almost like 9 years back or something, even before I debuted in Sandalwood. It was for an ad shoot, and I didn't follow much Telugu films then. And
Well, stay on with me, Avantika. We have some live visuals coming in from Hyderabad, where you can see the convoy in which Allu Arjun was being taken away has arrived at the court probably. So these are the live pictures that we are tracking. Heavy security deployment. You can see a sea of fans gathered over there on both the sides of the road to get a glimpse of Pushpa star Allu Arjun, who is now embroiled in a controversy over the stampede that claimed the life of one woman and also left a child injured. The police convoy there making its way into what we believe is the court, or either it is the police station. So these are the live pictures that we are tracking. So coming back to you, Avantika, you were telling us about Allu Arjun as a person, so please go on.
so it was just barely 50 meters walk from the vanity to the set, and I saw this crowd around the set, and I was like, we're just doing an ad shoot. Why are people crowding here? And then, I got to know that these people have traveled. Like, we were shooting in mud in a very secluded area. People have traveled from Malad East, Kandavali, Borivali, just to come and see him, because somebody told them that Allu Arjun is shooting. Just imagine, just an ad shoot, which is like half a day shoot, and people got to know in a place like Mumbai. So in a place like Hyderabad, people would certainly know that, Allu Arjun is traveling to which destination, where is he going, which theatre. So, and well, he's a chilled out guy. In fact, I had just finished my shoot of Rangi Taranga, and I wanted to watch the trailer, give me feedback. Yeah, it was good, fun working with him.
Well, Avantika, one last question. If there has to be any arrest made, then it has to be one of his team members, because it is their duty to inform the local administration, the theatre's management about his movements, because Allu Arjun obviously cannot do everything directly. So his team has to be held accountable. But instead, Revant Reddy's police, what they've done is arrested the actor himself.
And that's really. How can you just go ahead with some motive? But this is before arresting such a big personality. You should have gone and done a little bit of investigation and questioned a few people. So yeah, it's very sad that this happened.
Right. Avantika, many thanks for joining us with your insights. Well, that was Sandalwood actor Avantika Shetty joining us live on Allu Arjun's arrest. In fact, my colleague Aneri is also live with me from Hyderabad. Aneri, lots of action happening in the live frame. Tell us what's happening. Where is Allu Arjun? Where are they taking him? And what's the live status?
Well, Deepak, a lot of fast-paced developments that have been taking place where we see that now Allu Arjun has been shifted to Nampally Court. He was taken for the medical test at the Gandhi Hospital after he was arrested by the police. He was taken there and doctors have confirmed that Allu Arjun is completely fine. His health is, his fine is what the doctors have confirmed to the police, and then he was shifted to the Nampally Court where there will be a hearing that will be taking place. He is already brought to the Nampally Court, and also at the same time, well, now what we are seeing is that a big development that's coming in. On one side we see that the BRS and the BJP have condemned the arrest. They have been hitting out at the Congress government in the state of Telangana, but also at the same time, now sources have also said that the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has come out with his first statement where he has said that law will take its own course, and also this comes at the time when Allu Arjun, the actor who has been arrested in connection with the Stampede case at the Sandhya Theatre during the premieres of Pushpa 2.
Right, Aneri, stay on with me because megastar Chiranjeevi has also paid a visit to Allu Arjun's residence. That's the next breaking news that we are tracking. Megastar Chiranjeevi has